viewers, this is Ali from Price Fashions, and today I'll be going to show you some exclusive prints, 3D dye with cut work and some other prints also. Before I start, I will request my viewers to please subscribe the channel to get updates of our new collections, offers and discounts. Resellers, wholesalers and bulk queries, please do WhatsApp. Our number is flashing on the screen. It's 8296897264. So let's display the sari. This is the sari number 1, and as you can see, it's a multicolor shaded dye along with the pallu border. It's a black with the floral design, and just see the dye color. It's a 3D dye we call. So how it will look, I'll just show. In between the design, we have given a mirror ari work. So all over the sari, mirror ari work is there. So how it will look, I'll just show. So just see the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu, and this is the all over look. Just see the design. So this is a mirror ari work. In between the design, we have given a mirror ari work and all over also. So just see the color combination. It's a green, light froza and pink, and this is the pallu of the sari. So this is very pretty. Just I will drape. So how it will look. So just see. So this is the all over look of the sari. So very pretty one. Just see the color combination, design. And the blouse piece is there. So this is the green BP. Green blouse comes with the sari with the border. This is the blouse piece. So this is the sari number 2. Again a 3D shaded dye. So this is a combination of peach pink and the light grey color. And this is the chinar leaf design. It's all over same. And all over body there is a mirror ari work in between the design. So this is the chinar leaf design. So just see the color shading. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. So this is the all over look of the sari, and pallu is there. Just I'll show you the closer view. Pallu is there, and the blouse piece peach color. So this is the blouse piece comes with the sari. This is the blouse piece. So this is a deep purple color, and it's a hand painting. It's a arrangement hand painting. As you can see, from the skirt till pallu, the design is there, and cut work is also like that. It's an arrangement cut work. So this is a hibiscus design, and all design is outlined with the ari work. So just see the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu, and this is the all over look. So this is the arrangement from pallu till shoulder. This cut work will come, and this is the design. I'll show you the closer view. So just have a look. The design is outlined with mirror ari work all over. And blouse piece is there. So this is the blouse piece comes with the sari. The same color. This is a BP comes with the sari. This is the sari number 4, and the base color, as you can see, it's a deep navy blue. The color is so nice. It's a deep navy blue, and it's an arrangement print. So it's a kalamkari print. It's a discharge kalamkari print along with the pallu cut work. So this will come to the skirt from pallu. It's a rising kind of design from skirt till pallu. The design will come. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari. I'll show you the closer view of this print. So this is the color combination green, rani and off-white with all over mirror work. So just have a look. It's a very pretty one. So how it will look, I'll just show. So this is the all over look of the sari. Palla. And the blouse piece is there. So this is the border we are also giving. So this is the border, and blouse border, and cut work is also there. This is the same pattern in different color combination. Even the design is also different. So just have a look. So the arrangement, everything is same. Only the color combination and design is changed. And all over body there is a mirror ari work. So it's the base color is a natural tussar color with the peach piping. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. how it will look. I just drape so you can understand how it will look. So this is the look of the sari. Palla is there and blouse piece. So this is the BP comes with the sari. BP with border. So this is a combination of chocolate brown and mustard yellow. So it's a hand painting. So as you can see, it's an arrangement. It's a big pallu, and this design will come to the skirt. From it's a corner to corner. So this is a cut work which comes from the pallu. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari. It's a big pallu, and just see the cut work. And this design will come to the skirt. So this is a combination of mustard yellow and the chocolate color with hand cut work, mirror ari work. So this is the look of the sari, and in between the flower, as you can see, the French knot is also given. So this is a French knot. So this is the look of the sari, and the interesting part is the blouse. Blouse is full shibori. This is the shibori blouse comes with the sari with the sleeve border cut work. Now let's move to the zari border tassel. So this is a combination of deep firoza with the Rani pink. So this is a pallu border, Rani pink, and all over body is the same design. And in between we have given a, so all over design there is a mirror ari work is also there. So how it will look, I'll just show. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the view. I'll show you the closer view. So this is the nice color combination. And blouse piece is there. So this is the BP comes with the sari. This is the kalamkari print. As you can see, the base color is a light firoza color. It's a light firoza, and just see the design. It's all over printed, not hand painted. It's a kalamkari print with the multicolor leaves. Design is there, and on the feather, as you can see, we have highlighted the feather with the mirror ari work. So all over sari like this. So just see the pallu. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the design. Just see the color combination, shades of green, yellow, red. So many colors are there, and just see the peacock feather design highlighted with the mirror ari work. Palla, and the BP is there. So this is a blouse piece comes with the sari. One more kalamkari. So this time with the combination of light, the base color is a light cream color with the Rani pink. Just see the color shading. It's a Rani peach and black outline is there only. So this is the all over look without peacock motifs. So this is without peacock motifs. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. Palla, and this is the design. And blouse piece is there. So this is the BP comes with the sari. This is the blouse piece. So this is a deep magenta color, and just see the all over body. It's a very beautiful floral design all over, and mirror ari work is there. It's a very pretty one. And just see the color combination, shades of yellow, mustard yellow, orange, green. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the design. I'll show you the closer view of this. So the base color is so nice. It's a deep magenta and with multicolor floral, and blouse piece is there. So this is the BP comes with the sari. This is the blouse piece. So this is a combination of mustard yellow and Rani. As you can see, the base color is a Rani with the pallu border. BP will be a mustard yellow with the multicolor floral design. It's a grey and shades of mustard yellow is there. How it will look, I'll just show. So the pallu is there, and this is the all over look. So we are located in Globe Mall, shop number 102. It's a new market, Kolkata 87. So please visit our store. We have a wide range collections of tussar, silk, laharia. So many designs are there. So please visit. So this is all over look. Palla is there, and BP. This is the blouse piece comes with the sari. So this is a combination of peach and the base color is off-white with the multicolor floral design. It's a Kochupata design we call, and all over the design, as you can see in between, we have put it a mirror ari work. So this is highlighted with the mirror ari work all over the design. So this is one of our hit design. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the design. I'll show you the detailing of this work. Just see the mirror ari work in between the design. Pallu is there, and blouse piece. So this is the BP comes with the sari. So this is a deep purple color, and it's again a skirt part design. As you can see, this is a new design. So this will come to the skirt, and just see the pallu of the sari. And the interesting part of the sari is the blouse. Blouse we are giving full printed blouse. So how it will look, I'll just show. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the design. I'll show you the detailing of this print. Just see, this is a multicolor. It's a orange, white, yellow, and green. This is the design which comes to a skirt. Pallu is full cut work. All over body, it's a mirror ari work. So it is very pretty sari. I'll just drape how it will look. So this is the all over look of the sari. Pallu is there, and blouse piece full printed. Full printed blouse comes with the sari. So this is a combination of light and deep peach. As you can see, the pallu border, it's a deep peach, and the base color, it's a light, it's a powder peach color with a multicolor floral design. It's shades of rosa, light, deep, shades of grey, and mirror ari work all over. So just have a look. So this is the pallu, and this is all over design. This is all over design and DP. So this is the blouse piece comes with the sari. So this is the last sari of this episode, and the base color, it's a jet black. It's a jet black, and it's only hand ari work. As you can see on the pallu, it's a peacock design. It's a peacock design. It's fully done by hand. It's a mirror ari work, and all over body, it's a small butta is there. It's only ari work. So this is the all over look. The closer view of just see the design. So it comes to the pallu. So this is the pallu of the sari, and all over butta is there. This is the butta design, and blouse piece. We are giving a blouse piece. So this is the BP. This is the blouse. As you can see, one peacock we are giving for the sleeve. For the back side you can use, and this is the sleeves. So this is the BP comes with the sari. So thank you so much for watching and joining, and it's a request to my viewers to please subscribe the channel to get updates of our new collections, offers and discount, and please share the video so we can reach out more people. COD facilities available only in Central Kolkata. For other states we have to do bank transfer, Google Pay, Phone Pay we also accept. So thank you so much, and keep share the video.